For painless experience, CLOTIXA pen. This video will give you the detail about all the components of CLOTIXA pen. This is plunger, dose dialer, dose display window, dose indicator, pen body. This video is a guide to the way of self-injecting the CLOTIXA pen. Before preparing to inject yourself, wash your hands thoroughly with soap or hand sanitizer. Please ensure that you must be having CLOTIXA pen, CLOTIXA cartridge, needle and alcohol swab with you. Clean the cartridge head with the alcohol swab. Load the cartridge with the metal cap before the further procedure. Dial and press till the plunger touches the grey cartridge top. Take the needle, remove the safety cap and attach it firmly on top of the pen by screwing it till it is firmly locked into place. Do not touch the needle. Tap the cartridge holder gently to raise any air bubbles to the top of the cartridge. If there are no air bubbles to be seen, then the pen is ready for use. In case of any air bubbles, dial 2 in the dose dialer. Push the plunger completely. A drop of the medicine should appear at the tip of the needle. Dial the required amount of CLOTIXA dose by rotating the dose dialer. Like in this case, let us dial 40 mg. Prepare your skin for injection as per the doctor's instructions. Clean the site with an alcohol swab. Ensure the injection is at a 90-degree angle while injecting yourself. Press the plunger completely, count to 10 and remove the needle from the skin. After injection, press the site of injection with the cotton gauze. Remove the needle and close the pen. Never reuse and share the needle. Instead, dispose it off immediately. For more information related to medicine and dosage, please contact your doctor. For any further information related to the device, please contact